What's the meaning of barren? Barren. Barren.
Barren. Barren. The term barren is used to describe land or soil that is unable to support the growth of plant life. This could be due to a variety of factors such as lack of nutrients, harsh climate conditions, or excessive salt content in the soil. A barren landscape may also refer to an environment that lacks any kind of life, whether it be plant or animal. The word can also be used metaphorically to describe a person or situation that is unproductive, empty, or sterile. In essence, barren is a term that signifies a lack of growth, vitality, and prosperity.